It'd be a really bad idea if you bought a fire extinguisher and then found out too late that you bought the wrong kind. And I'm not trying to scare anyone, but seriously, you need to know if your extinguisher will do the job if the time ever comes. And it can be a little confusing at first to decide which one to choose because most of us don't shop for these every day. So in this video, we'll break it down into what you need to know. And to demonstrate, we'll look at this First Alert Home 2 Pro model versus First Alert's Pro 10 model. And I'll put links to both below. But most of us have no idea what the differences are. In fact, they're sold as variations of each other on the same listing on Amazon, so it's really easy to think they're pretty much the same or to choose the wrong one because the listing isn't very explicit about what's going on. I mean, yes, one costs less and one costs more, but why? And to make sense of all this, we just have to understand the extinguisher's letter classifications and also the numbers affixed to those classifications. And trust me, this will be easy. Your eyes won't glaze over, but more importantly, this is just really important for you to know. So to start off, a Class A rated extinguisher is effective against ordinary solid combustibles like trash, wood, paper, and plastics, but it's also effective for small stovetop grease or oil fires. A Class B rated extinguisher works against liquids like gas, oil, solvents, kerosene, and flammable paints, while a C-rated extinguisher is rated to put out electrical fires. There are also extinguishers rated for Class D, which targets combustible metals like magnesium and lithium. And then there's Class K, which is for kitchens, where the primary concern is fires coming from oils and fats. And recall that a Class A-rated extinguisher also works on small grease fires, but Class Ks are superior in that regard because instead of a dry powder, they use a cooling wet mist that helps prevent reignition in a larger grease or oil fire. So, what kind of fires do you expect might present a potential concern for your situation? Well, the good news is that if you think the primary causes might fall into categories A, B, or C, then you'll probably like having this extinguisher on hand because it's a Class A, B, and C rated extinguisher. So, it works for all three classes, A, B, and C. But there's one more important thing you need to know. There's also a number in front of the classes when you look on the extinguisher. As you can see here on this First Alert Home 2 Pro model, it shows 2A, 10B, and then just C without any number. Well, the Class A number represents water equivalency. Each number unit represents 1.25 gallons of water. And I don't know why they didn't just make it 1 gallon per number, but it's 1.25. So 1.25 gallons for each incremental unit. And in our First Alert Home 2 Pro example, our 2A rating means we multiply the 2 by 1.25 gallons, resulting in 2.5 gallons. So this First Alert extinguisher puts out a Class A fire from wood or paper or trash or other solids about as effectively as 2.5 gallons of water. And then for the B number, each number represents the square footage of a Class B fire that can be extinguished. For example, our 10B rating on this extinguisher means it has enough material to put out a typical 10 square foot fire caused by Class B flaming liquids like gas or solvents and so on. And for whatever reason, there's no designation regarding C. Perhaps it's just a little too difficult to quantify Class C electrical fires. I don't know. But one thing that's very interesting is that the materials used in a Class C extinguisher are specifically chosen so that they don't present a shock hazard when used on an electrical fire. So going back to our original question, what's the difference between First Alert's Home 2 Pro model and the Pro 10 model? Both are ABC rated extinguishers, but the Home 2 Pro has a classification of 2A, 10B, C, and weighs 9 pounds, while the Pro 10 has a classification of 4A, 60B, C, and weighs 18.5 pounds. So the Pro 10 has a higher number classification, it's bigger, and it also costs a little more, which makes sense. Some other things to keep in mind are that both come with mounting brackets, both are rechargeable, and both come with a 12-year limited warranty. But for most homes and small businesses, First Alert's ABC extinguishers, either the Home 2 Pro model or the Pro 10, are terrific choices as general purpose extinguishers. They're easy to operate with a simple pull pin to unlock. They have a pressure gauge in the front to help you monitor the extinguisher's status, and both have a small hose to effectively direct the spray. And overall, I hope this short video has helped you determine whether First Alert's Home 2 Pro or Pro 10 extinguisher meets your needs, and thanks for watching.